My name is Orissa. I'm the school age coordinator here at ACT. I'm here today to offer you a fun class. We will be doing Slime is Science. We always want to make sure that you are safe, so we have a few ingredients or items that you will use to begin your project. We have a pair of gloves, a bottle of glue, a cup of water, a spoon, a cup, some food coloring, any color, a bowl, and borax. Because we're using borax, we want to make sure you're safe, and that's why we need the gloves. We want to make sure that you are safe as well as I am safe. To make sure that we are all socially distanced, we have a setup here for you. Everyone will be about 6 feet apart with a table, and on their table, we will have all of the items that you will need to make your slime in each session. With all the ingredients we have here today, we're going to follow the recipe and we're going to make bouncy slime so you can take home with you. Come join my class.